Hello, myself Dr. Komal Gujar, and I have secured All India rank 590 in UPSC CSE this year as I was getting many DMs regarding my book list and the resources. So I am making a video on that part. I hope it will help you all in your journey. So basically, I will discuss about both the stages, prelims and mains. I will discuss it simultaneously. First of all, for the polity, I have read 6 to 12 class NCRTs, but my main focus was on 11th class and the 12th class NCRTs, which I have read in great detail. I have read Lakshmikant in a great detail. For the prelims point of view, Lakshmikant is enough, and for the mains, it is not enough. So I have used Atish Mathur sir's notes for the mains, and for the governance part also, I have used sir's notes. You can go for that. Sir is running Magna Carta program on their YouTube channel. You can search and go for that. For the geography, it was my favorite subject. I have used my notes, which I have made from the 11th class NCRTs and 12th class NCRTs. Basically, I have read all the NCRTs from 6th to 12th class, but the main focus in geography should be on 11th class NCRTs. Basically, जो 11th class के NCRTs हैं, they should be your focus. For the 12th class, you can also read 12th class NCRTs about human and economic geography. For some of the parts of geography, like for the chapters of biome, I have used GC Leong, and I have also used the examples which the GC examples which were mentioned in the GC Leong for some chapters like volcanoes uh, and earthquakes, etc. For the mapping, I have used Sudarshan Shar's video. These are available on YouTube, so you can go for that. Now for the history part, as there are many parts in history itself. So for the art and culture part, I have used my coaching notes, the Neeraj sir's notes. But I also read Nitin Singhania book. I have read it selectively. For the example, I have read it for Buddhism, Jainism, for the chapters like dance and literature, architecture. I have read this book also, but I have read this selectively. No need to go for the whole book. For the ancient and the medieval India, I have read R.S. Sharma for the ancient India, but I have not used it in my preparation. I have used the Lucent one book which comes in market like Lucent GK करके. I have used their notes for this part. But for better understanding, I also read Poonam Dalal book on ancient and medieval India. It is a very good book. You can go for this book also. This will give you a thorough understanding about all the ancient and the medieval part. I have read it completely, but if you don't have time, then you can go for some topics like for the Vijayanagar Empire, Buddhism, Jainism topics. You can opt for the Poonam Dalal books. It is available online also in the PDF format. For modern India, I have read Spectrum. The summary of the Spectrum is very important. You have to read this book for your modern India. For World India and the Post-Independence India, I used coaching material notes. Basically, it is for mains part. So I have used some coaching materials notes. It is available in the market. You can go for any coaching materials note for this part. For the economics, I have read it through Munal sir's notes. I have watched their videos and I have read it via their notes. And budget for an economic survey you have to do for that year, in which year you are giving that attempt. You have to go for that year's budget and economic survey. And for the mains part in economics, I think the Shivin sir's notes are quite good. You can go for that. I have used their notes. For the science and tech part, I have used Shivin sir's notes and their videos, which are available on YouTube also. For the science and tech, you have to do the PT 365. I have done of Vision IS magazine. I have opted for this. And one more thing that I want to add is that I have also read class 12th biology NCRT. The last four chapters of the class 12th biology NCRT are very much important. You can go for that. These are four chapters of ecology. You have to read that also. For environment part also, I have done Dr. Shivin sir's notes and the PT 365 of that year. For the ethics, it is mainly main subject, and I have used my coaching notes plus Mudit sir's notes. I think Mudit sir's notes are quite good and they are sufficient also for ethics. And I have added many examples via my research and via some chat GPT. I have added some of my examples, so you can add that also for the ethics part. And basically, you have to write questions for this subject. For the society and social justice, I have used Smriti ma'am's notes. Basically, for society, I have used ma'am's notes. And for the IR part, I have done it via PT 365 of Vision IS. It is sufficient. For the GS3, like internal security, agriculture, economics, and science and tech and environment, I have did it from Shivin sir. It is for the mains part. I have done it by Shivin sir's notes, and they are quite good. You can also make one pagers so that it will be easy for you to revise in your mains exams. Now basically the one thing which is left is CSET. Uh, there are three parts like comprehension, reasoning, and maths. So basically, for the comprehension part, you can research for the keywords like inference, what is implication, what is summary, what is crux, what do you mean by that keywords, because every keyword has a different meaning and you have to answer the passage according to that. So you can research the keywords and then you have to practice the PYQs. I have practiced only the PYQs of UPSC. No need to go for another exams comprehensions because they are quite different and they have different approaches. For the reasoning and maths part, I have taken some lectures which are available on YouTube, like Madhukar sir's lectures were available on the YouTube. I have done that lectures and then I solved PYQs of UPSC. And basically, it was my strategy for the CSET. You have to focus on this part as the CSET is getting difficult day by day. So you can go for that. And, and at last, I want to say that I have tried to cover all the topics, and I think it will help you out in your journey. Basically, the strategies for this exam are different for different individuals. This was my strategy that worked out for me. I hope uh, the strategy could be of any help to you. And finally, all the best for this journey. And keep going. I think consistency and patience and hard work to hai is all which is needed